Hi, good afternoon everyone. So Snap 2021, finally the notification is out. It's not there on the snaptest.org website, but it is available on this SIBM website. So as you know that there are so many colleges accepting Snap Score. All these are Symbiosis University colleges, and each college display the complete admission calendar. So I just found that SIBM has declared the complete calendar, which also includes the Snap exam related dates. And of course it can't be wrong, because it is expected that the Snap notification will be out on their official website in a day or two, but we could access the complete calendar well in advance. So I'm going to give you all this information about what is going to be the paper pattern, what will be the marking scheme, what are the exam slots. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to explain that. Apart from that, what was the paper pattern last year, what is expected paper pattern this year, and many other things. What were the cutoff last year's, and what are the Symbiosis colleges. So you're going to get all this information in this video. So make sure that you are watching this video till the end. Please explore the description. Please join my Telegram group so that you can keep getting all this important updates even in future, and you can get necessary guidance. So once again, my name is Ronak Shah and I welcome all of you to this session. You are watching me on this channel, Unacademy CAT and CAT for MBA. So please make sure all of you have subscribed to this channel, and do not forget to like and share this video. So in case if you are new to my session, guys, please be part of my Telegram group. The link has been provided in the description. And just want to quickly tell you that we are conducting many free sessions on YouTube as well as on Unacademy Learning app. So please make sure all of you have downloaded Unacademy Learning app, and please unlock it with my code SHAH10 so that you can attend this complete series that I have started for exam like Snap, NMAT and CET. These are, guys, free sessions that you can attend every day from 12 to 1. Apart from that, for CAT also I have started couple of series, so you can watch my Lakshya batch series, and if you want more guidance from me, you can join my Plus batch. So let's quickly understand about the Snap exam. So guys, as you can see, the Snap exam, Snap 2021 registrations are going to start from 31st August. You can easily see this date. It's going to start from 31st August. In my previous video, I had mentioned that Snap dates will be Snap registration will start by last week of August, but now we have got the exact dates. Just want to request to my viewers, guys, please confirm if I'm audible perfectly. Show me a thumbs up in the chat box. Right, great. Is audio video everything fine, everyone? And yeah, please do not forget to like this video and please share with all your friends, guys. Okay, and Snap registrations are going to close on 27 November. So usually you get lots of time as far as Snap the registrations are concerned. Great. Yes, thanks Amrit. So that's a good thing about Snap. I mean, you can of course make your decision even at the later date, but if you're sure that you want to try for Symbiosis colleges, two of the Symbiosis colleges, that is SIBM and SCM HRD, are among the top 30 colleges in the country. So definitely it's an exam worth looking for. There are 16 institutes accepting Snap Score. There are 16 MBA colleges in Symbiosis International University, and there are more than 26 programs. So definitely it's a gateway to so many different programs and colleges, right? So one must take it, unless you are just targeting top 3 IIMs, FMS and XLRA, then probably you may think of putting aside Snap. But yes, if you're targeting Snap, then you will have to register, complete your registration from 31st August to 27 November. Once again, I'll release another video about Snap registration process, so you can definitely watch that, so that you do not end up wasting your money, because there is a bit of trap sometimes. They automatically select all the colleges and they'll show you a big figure over there. So I'll tell you everything about how to register. But right now we need to understand the important dates, exam pattern, what will be the cutoffs and all, and how should you prepare about that, and of course the colleges. So guys, admit card will be available on the website from December 4. Now what are the exam dates? It is exactly as it was last year, that is in 2020. It was conducted in 3 slots. Each slot was of 60 minutes duration, 60 marks, 60 questions. Marking scheme, of course I'll show you that. It was +1 minus 1/4, and yes, they had you were given choice of 2 attempts. So you can book your slots, 2 attempt slots in any of these 3 slots. And let me tell you guys, all those who had gone for just 1 attempt, they realized their mistake. They should have gone for 2 attempts. because the paper pattern varies and the level of difficulty also varied a bit. So please do not commit the same mistake. Make sure that you are taking it twice. Suggested slots are first slot and the last slot. So my recommendation will be take one exam on December 19th and the another one on January 16th. Unless some other exam date is clashing with that, then you can book January 8 also. So these are going to be the 3 exam slots. So I hope all of you have understood this, guys. Yeah, great. And the results will be out by February 1st week, and then they start with their admission process. Different colleges start with the admission process. Now let me quickly tell you that SNAP is one exam, and you need to apply to Symbiosis colleges along with the SNAP exam. Now there are 2 ways to apply the Symbiosis colleges. One, you while filling the SNAP form, you pay the college registration fees, which is 1,000 per college, and still in that case also you will have to separately fill the college form. So that you will have to do. Or the other will be, you can register right now only for SNAP, you pay the SNAP exam fees, and later on you can pay the college fees and you can apply to the colleges based on your preparation. In fact, many of the Symbiosis colleges application remains open even after SNAP exams are conducted. So there will be few colleges which will close their last date. For example, look at the last date to apply for SIBM. This we are looking at SIBM website. So last date to apply to SIBM program is December 18 because SNAP first slot is on December 19. So normally they close their application right before exam, because once you have taken exam, you know the ground reality and you may not apply to the college. While till the time you have appeared for the exam, you will always be hopeful. Everyone thinks for the best, right? And in that anticipation, you may end up applying to colleges from where you are not going to get the call. So they earn more money, of course. It's a very simple calculation. Declaration of GPI shortlist for MBA. They are going to do it by 10th of Feb. And GPI WET process. G stands for group exercise, which is similar to group discussion but slightly different in certain cases. So I have also released certain videos on that. Okay, PI personal interview and WAT written assessment test. Okay, so guys, this is how it is going to be. So I hope all of you have understood the complete SNAP calendar. Now what are the queries? Amrit is saying, sir, if we are booking 2 slots, that means we have to pay for twice or the amount stays the same. No, you will have to pay additional amount. Of course, they'll give you a kind of offer. Okay, if you want to book 2 slots, so the combo price will be this one. But institutes, you need to just apply once, and they'll consider the best of those 2 attempts. They'll consider the best score out of those 2 attempts, and then accordingly the institutes will call you for the admission process. Okay, so guys, let me show you the cutoffs and all for the previous year paper. But before that, just want to once again tell you that Unacademy provides free sessions on YouTube as well as on Unacademy Learning app. Make sure all of you have downloaded Unacademy Learning app, and you can unlock it with my code SHAR10. And apart from that, if you want more structured preparation, more practice, more guidance, doubt solving, test series and all, then you can go for Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription. It's like you are enrolling into Unacademy course, like you are enrolling in any of the other coaching academy and all. Right? In Iconic subscription, now you get many benefits, like you get personal guidance from the mentor, test analysis, experts guidance, and these mentors are usually from top B school like IIM, FMS and all. So you get to talk to them directly, and you also get personal doubt solving and all in that. So please go for that, guys. Here are the pricing plan for your reference, and I'm going to show you the cutoffs and everything. So just hold on for a moment. Let me quickly tell you about this prices and all. So once you apply this code, you will get 10% discount also. Similarly, these are the pricing plan for Iconic, slightly on the higher side, but as I mentioned, you get lots of value over there, so it's worth spending that amount. There are some offers going on, so guys, if you are targeting 2022 or 2023, definitely you can go for that. And if you are preparing for CAT 21, you can go for 3 or 6 month subscription. Now let's talk about SNAP 2020 exam. So guys, this was the paper pattern which is going to be the same even in 2021. Okay, so number of question will be 60, total marks 60, marks per question 1, negative marking 0.25 times 60 minutes. Okay, as we saw over there, they have clearly mentioned slot timing. So it is going to be 1 hour. That means it will be same as the previous year. unless when they release the paper related information and they make some changes, but it is least likely to happen. Okay, so we can definitely accept this one. Now if I just want to show you some more information about snap 2020 exam, so guys, general English, there were 15 questions, 15 marks, and good attempt was 12 to 13. Easy to moderate questions were there. If I look at quantitative ability and data interpretation and data sufficiency, there were 20 questions, 20 marks. 16 to 18 were doable. I'm talking about the good students, right? Just like in CAT, if you are targeting top 6 IIMs, similarly in SNAP, if you are targeting college like SIBM and SCM HRD, this is what you should have done ideally. And analytical and logical reasoning, 25 question, 25 marks. It was easy to moderate side once again. So grand total, if you look at 60 questions, 60 marks, 40 to 45 would have been the good score, right? And that's what would have got you the call from SIBM, and that's what happened finally. Around 42 marks पे आपका SIBM का call आया था, and around 38-39 marks पे SCM HRD का आया था. So this year also you can expect on the similar lines. I've also mentioned the topics to focus, in English, synonyms, spelling error, parts of speech, and so on and so forth. So you can definitely take a look at the topics based on which the number of questions that were asked. So we have analyzed that paper. Similarly, if I look at LR section, the previous one was verbal section. This is verbal ability. This is logical reasoning. So blood relation, clocks, number series, everything, all the topics that you can think of. Now let me tell you this, snap paper is completely different from CAT pattern. तो CAT का जो preparation है, that makes you prepared for snap, but you need to practice the specific areas. ठीक है, तो आप सिर्फ ये क्वेश्चन को प्रैक्टिस करके ना कैट क्रैक कर सकते हो, ना कैट की सिर्फ प्रिपरेशन से आप स्नैप क्रैक कर सकते हो. और इसीलिए मैंने 2 LR के सीरीज शुरू किए हुए. मेरा जो 12 बजे वाला फ्री सेशन का सीरीज है अनअकैडमी ऐप पे, उसमें मैं सारे ऐसे टॉपिक कराता हूं जो स्नैप, सीईटी और दूसरे आईपीमेट के एग्जाम्स में हेल्पफुल होंगे. और जो मेरा 4 बजे वाला सीरीज है उसमें कैट के रिलेटेड आपकी प्रिपरेशन होती है. सो यू कैन कीप अटेंडिंग दिस. Okay, similarly, if we talk about quantitative ability, guys, so these are the topics based on which most of the questions were asked. Okay, this is just a rough breakup, and there can be few other areas. So guys, actually when the results came, the percentile and marks were slightly different. This is a slightly old analysis, so we'll not refer to that, but you can definitely check the actual results. So yeah, you can quickly look at the colleges, the top colleges. So guys, here are the top colleges. I mean, these are the colleges we're targeting, particularly if you are from defense background. If your family has defense background, you can definitely target this college, SIMS. Very easy to get into, and a good package and all. About 10 lakh is the average package. Fees is also not very high. Okay. So yeah, there are a few students who are asking query. Hi Creative Minds, good afternoon. So if you are booking 2 slots, that means we have to pay. No, you don't need to pay separately. I mean for colleges, but for exam there will be higher fees for 2 slots. Purnima, sir, I am targeting SIBM Pune. In my first mock I got 31.51 percentile. So do you think if I still target and continue preparing, I'll at least score good? Purnima, I mean, see, what I'll suggest is don't look at the end outcome right now. Don't think about end outcome. Don't think about future. Okay? Talk about present and focus on present. So what you should be doing right now is just working on how to improve your score. आप कितना improve करोगे उस पे मत सोचो. मेरे अभी 31 परसेंटाइल आया है, क्या मैं 95 ला पाऊंगा? ये सवाल ही नहीं आना चाहिए. अगर किसी ने कह दिया नहीं तुम्हारे 95 नहीं आएंगे, तो तुम क्या मेहनत करना बंद कर दोगे? एमबीए का सपना छोड़ दोगे? नहीं. तो आप क्या करोगे? आप 30 से 40 जाओ, 40 से 50, 60, 70, जितना आप जा सकते हो उतना जाओ. एंड देन सी कि क्या आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर वापस लेना है, या अभी जो आपको चॉइसेस मिल रहे हैं उसमें आपको एडमिशन ले लेना है. ठीक है. सो गाइस, स्टॉप वरिंग अबाउट फ्यूचर. मेरा क्या होगा, मुझे मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. अरे फोकस करो मेहनत करने पे. ठीक है ना. Then we will decide about that. Okay, in the second part, once you are well prepared, once the exams are over, we'll start thinking what options do we have. Okay, fine. So guys, apart from that, just want to tell you that you can participate in India's largest scholarship test called Combat. It is conducted every Sunday, so please be part of that and keep attending the skill builder test that we are conducting free on Unacademy app. Okay. And yes, Unacademy also offers certain other programs for campus placement, so please explore that. Some new batches are also starting on Plus for 2021, 2022 and 2023. Use my code SHAR10 and go for that. If you want to talk to me, join me on Telegram group and find me by my ID Ronak_live, and you can talk to me about courses and all, right? And as I mentioned, Iconic subscription is also available in 6 months, so you can go for 6 months Iconic subscription. If you think, if you feel the need of more guidance and more hand holding, definitely it will be worth. Go for that, guys, right? And these are some other offerings of Unacademy, so go for that. Just to once again remind you, this is my Telegram group, so quickly join that. Explore the description for more links. You will get complete list of my free sessions and all. Yeah, so where is the link where the dates are updated? So Jitinder, you will find it on SIBM site. See, it is not updated on this snaptest.org, वहां पे नहीं आया है, लेकिन जो पार्टिसिपेटिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है, ये SIBM का ऑफिशियल साइट है, उसके ऊपर सारे डेट्स, पूरा पेपर पैटर्न उन्होंने रखा हुआ है. कैन यू सी दिस एवरीवन? या, so definitely Amandeep, you can keep attending my sessions and you will get it well prepared. Okay, so Amanjat has a question, so please tell me the best certificate for CV. मतलब आप कोई भी सर्टिफिकेशन ले सकते हो, बट फोकस मोर ऑन नॉलेज रादर देन सर्टिफिकेट्स. सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेट्स होने से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सर्टिफिकेशन एंड इफ यू इवन डू नॉट नो के व्हाट इज H1 H2 हेडर, तो यू आर गॉन, राइट? मतलब सिर्फ उसके थोड़े से पॉइंट समझ लिए, आपको PPC और SCM और SEO में डिफरेंस ही नहीं पता है, तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा ऐसे सर्टिफिकेशन का. You know, so do it with the interest of exploring it rather than just having those crowns in your kitty. Okay, that's my advice. So guys, as far as this particular video is concerned, this is what I had to tell. I hope all of you would have found it fruitful. Don't forget to press the like button and please share it with your friends also. Keep learning, guys. Now I'll see you once again at 4 o'clock on Unacademy app with my Lakshya batch, which is a free session. And again today at 6 p.m. We'll continue with geometry series. It's on YouTube. So please keep attending all the sessions and keep learning, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.